Halos 3 months na nakakaraan itong POCO F5 Pro. And I have been using this as my daily driver. And gusto ko i-share sa inyo after 3 months kung kamusta na itong POCO F5 Pro. Is it still good? Meron na ako na-feel ng mga bugs? Or kamusta na ang kanyang gaming after this 90 days na testing natin as my daily driver? Tara, pag-usapan natin after this quick intro. So hi guys, I'm Panalo, Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So itong POCO F5 has been here with me for quite some time. 90 days down the road, it's really nice and refreshing na meron akong hawak na ganitong kagandang phone from POCO. And still, one of the best thing na gusto ko sa kanya is very nice ang kanyang design. It's probably one of the better design na meron dito sa isang POCO phone. And ang nipis niya is another factor na gusto ko sa kanya. In this 90-day span, and several updates na nakuha natin. Every time na nag-update siya, I think it gets better naman. Yung mga bugs na fix naman sa kanya, there are some small glitches na nawawala naman after, updating. And applying some security patches din lang naman. Like itong bago na dina-download ko right now, it's just a simple security patch na gives you a more stability ng phone na ito. Now, one other things na gusto ko down the road. One is that meron siyang wireless charging na madalas kong gamit. Nilalagay ko kasi madalas sa aking wireless charging. Nakiwan ko lang siya. And charge na siya. Wala akong naging problema. So, every time na gusto ko siyang kunin, bubunutin ko lang, hindi ko nahihilain. Which lessen yung stress dito sa tanggal dito sa aking charging port. One of the things na madali masira on a smartphone is yung kanang charging port. Which kung hindi kayo marunong gumamit, well, of course, hindi naman lahat tayo pare-pareho. Na isasaksak mo ng diretso, may ibang tao, tabigi magsaksak. May ibang tao, pipilitin. Kahit micro USB ang hawak mo or lightning, isasaksak pa rin nila dito sa Type-C port, which, of course, syempre, madaling masira. Now, one of my major problem talaga dito is to fight off itong mga smudges sa aking phone, which I think, kasi gamit ko to, hindi ko nilalagyan ng cases para medyo mas feel ko ang phone. So, yung pinakakalaban ko talaga dito is yung mga smudges niya. Nakakatamad sometimes, punas ako ng punas. Now, mga shots naman na meron ko dito are still impressive and still okay. Mga outdoor shots, mga indoor shots, food shot, and some nature shot are quite good dito sa camera niya. It's probably one of the better na flagship camera na meron di POCO for this year 2023. And ang kanyang selfie camera is also one of the better ones na matatry mo on a POCO phone. Now itong POCO F5, konting refresher lang, has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. It's a TSMC na chip, so quite efficient ang kanyang cooling dito, hindi ganun kainit. And nakakuha naman tayo ng 1.3 million na score dito sa Antutu Benchmark version 10. If I recall it right, nung sa Antutu version 9 na nakuha natin during our first na full review, it's a little bit lower than this one. And after several updates natin dito sa phone na ito, I would say it's still very good ang kanyang thermal throttling dito. Still can perform up to 90% ng kanyang maximum performance. So makita natin yung graph natin. Almost all green. So after several updates during the 90 days span na gamit natin itong phone na ito, what are the things na napansin ko during ang gameplay ko dito sa phone na ito? I did try several games dito. And actually, most of the games naman nilalaro talaga dito. Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, and then lalaro naman tayo ng Gadget, Impact, and Tower Fantasy dito. Well, honestly, si Call of Duty Mobile and si PUBG, yung stability niya, it did improve a bit. Kasi nung una, I think si Call of Duty Mobile, pagdating sa mga PR matches, medyo may times na naglalag siya. But as time passes and several updates na ng patch up dito sa kanya, I think mas stable siya. Wala ko naman masyado na feel ng mga frame drops dito and mga lags along the way. And hindi ako nahihirapan during mga rank matches and PR matches sa Call of Duty Mobile. Sa PUBG naman, wala masyado na feel from the start. And probably not that much improvement. Maybe it did improve a bit. Siguro hindi ko masyado napapansin kasi I played lesser PUBG as opposed kay Call of Duty Mobile na halos araw-araw ko nilalaro. Now, if we move on naman sa Genshin Impact and sa Tower Fantasy, both these games, nung simula, medyo a little bit, pagdating sa first 15 minutes is okay. But as you push along more than 30 minutes, there are times na may mafe-feel ka kunting frame drops talaga undeniably dito sa POCO F5. But I think nung first 2 updates, it did improve, lalo kay Genshin Impact, nung nilalagay ko pa rin siya sa max settings dito. And also, always using yung kanyang game mode dito, sinasagad natin, no? Boosting it to yung best performance possible dito sa phone nito. I think si Genshin Impact and si Tower Fantasy did get a better improvement and better stability as time passes by dito sa POCO F5 Pro, which I think is the good news para sa mga gamers out there na merong POCO F5 Pro or yung mga nagbabalak bumili ng POCO F5 Pro. So after 90 days, would I still recommend itong POCO F5 Pro? Definitely, it's a yes for me dahil it became more stable, better ang kanyang performance, lalo sa gaming, sa camera, well, maybe a little bit of improvement, not really much, wala masyadong na feel. But yung stability nito phone na ito, I did feel it's a little bit more stable as compared nung unang labas. So I think medyo hilaw pa, like we can always say. Kasi first 2 weeks, 3 weeks, medyo wala ka pa mapipit na updates. But as time passes by, kasi 90 days down the road, I think if tama ako, nakapag-4 or 5 updates na ako dito sa phone nito, which gives me more stability na talaga dito sa phone nito. But if you're asking me kung nagkaroon ng boot loop, nagkaroon ng crashes tong phone nito, bugs na major, as far as I'm concerned, wala naman ako na-feel as I use this phone on a day-to-day basis. Now guys, kung interested kayo mag-purchase itong phone na ito, si POCO F5 Pro, and I believe that this one is also included during the POCO Carnival. Link on the description. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit your bell icon para hindi miss our future uploads here on my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.